Why hello there, this is B.O.X Productions, and welcome to something a little bit different than what I usually do. Normally I'm just here to make a fool out of myself for your entertainment, but today I'm here to learn you a thing or two. So let's get right to it. Today I'm going to teach you how to capture screenshots and take footage of your screen with the iPhone 8 Plus. This may also work with the regular iPhone 8 and the iPhone X, but I can't say for certain. To take a screenshot, all you have to do is hold down the power button and then hit the home button. And as you can see, it pops up on the bottom left side of your screen. And from there you can just click on it and doodle or change the size of it, whatever you want to do. It's as simple as that. And for capturing video footage, all you have to do is go to your settings, your control center, customize controls, and you should see screen recording somewhere over here. Then you just tap the little plus sign next to it to add it to your control center. And then from there you go back to your home screen. Swipe up from the bottom to bring up your control panel, and at the bottom left corner you should see the record button. You can tap it to start recording, or you can hold the button down to change the microphone audio, whether you want it on or off. I have mine turned off because I'm recording the audio with a different device, but you do what you need to do. And once you're finished, all you do is just push the button again, and it takes the video and puts it in your photo album. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope this video was able to help you out. If it did, give this video a like, and let me know if you want to see more of these how-to type videos. Feel free to check out some of our other stuff, and maybe subscribe if you like it. It's always appreciated. This has been B.O.X Productions, and I'll see you next time.